In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your vendors to QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks or just setting up your books, adding vendors is an important step. Vendors are the people or companies you pay for goods and services. Think suppliers, contractors, and utilities. Keeping them organized in QuickBooks helps you track bills, record payments accurately, and prepare for things like 1099s at tax time. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. On the left-hand panel, click on Expenses. This is your hub for bills, payments, and everything related to money going out. From here, select Vendors. You'll now see a list of your vendors if you've already added any. This list becomes your directory, letting you quickly find who you owe, view open bills, and see payment history. If the list is empty, don't worry. That just means you're about to create your first vendor. To add someone new, go to the top right and click New Vendor. A form will open where you can enter their details. Start with the vendor's name and contact information so you and your team always know who to reach out to. Add their address so your bills and records are consistent, and make sure it's formatted correctly to avoid confusion later. If your plan includes bill pay and you plan to pay this vendor via ACH, you can securely add their ACH details here. Only enter information you're authorized to use, and double-check everything for accuracy. You'll also see sections for additional tax information. This is where you can indicate if the vendor is eligible for a 1099 and store relevant tax details if applicable. Having this set up now can save time during year-end reporting. There's also a notes area. Use it for things like preferred payment terms, point of contact reminders, or any special instructions you want your team to see when working with this vendor. When everything looks good, click Save at the bottom right. That's it. You've successfully added a vendor. The vendor will now appear in your list, and you can use it when entering bills, recording payments, or tracking expenses. A couple of quick tips before you move on. Keep vendor names consistent to avoid duplicates, and review entries periodically for accuracy. If you ever need to update something, just open the vendor's profile and make your changes. With a clean vendor list, your accounts payable becomes faster, clearer, and much easier to manage. And there you go. That's all you need to add your vendors to QuickBooks Online.